waiting here. I'm gonna go hunt some more tributes. Can't we just wait here for 5 minutes? We've been on the move forever.
Well, you can stay here, but I'm going.
All right. Come out, wherever you are. Well. Look who we have here. Alex, the boy from 9. Don't you have a newborn sister or something? Don't take my sister! Wow, you're a really good fighter, aren't you?
Boom.
Why did you stop them?
I did the best I could.
You didn't do good enough.
You're just gonna steal from us?
Well, I'm not going to stay here.
Oh, look like someone died here.
Well, at least they left me something.
Boom.